Hi, I'm Mark Davies. Welcome to this video in which we'll discuss how to see and use a history of the searches that you've done at EnglishCorpora.org. To see a history of your searches, click on the clock icon at the top of the page. Your searches are listed in the order that you did them, with the most recent searches at the top. You can click on the name of any corpus to limit the history to just searches from that corpus. From this page, you can see information about the search, such as the word or phrase that was entered into the search box, what sections were selected, if any, what type of search it was, list, chart, or collocates, when it was done, and how long the search took in milliseconds. You can click here to delete a search. You can also search through your previous searches. For example, if you remember that the word happy was part of the search, just enter that in the search field and you'll see a list of matching queries. You can also add a note to a search. For example, if you want to remember a few searches that you did with customized word lists, which is a topic that has its own video, just add that note for the relevant queries. And then you can search to find queries that have that note. To delete a note, just erase everything from the note field. To redo a search, even if it's in a different corpus, click on the link in the Redo column. You can also redo your last search in any other corpus. For example, let's suppose that the last search that I did was white followed by any word in the close customized word list that I've created. And let's suppose that that search was in the coca corpus. I can click on this icon in the upper left-hand corner, and then I can click on any of these links in the Redo Last Search column. For example, I can click here to redo the search in the movies corpus. And now I'll go back to coca. This allows you to easily move from corpus to corpus at EnglishCorpora.org and redo searches with just 2 or 3 clicks. Another powerful feature related to your search history is the ability to create a link to an entry from your history. You can embed this link in an email, a paper that you're writing, or a web page, or wherever. So for example, I will click here in the Share Link column to get a link to that query. And then when people click on this link, They will see exactly what you saw when you did the search. If you're a researcher, you might want to include these links in a footnote or an appendix to prove the accuracy of the results that you're presenting in the paper. As you can see, the history feature allows you to organize your corpus activity very well, and this full range of features is only available at englishcorpora.org.